start painting. If you are new on my channel, subscribe my channel at Art&I. I hope you will like my video. If you like it, then do like. I have a sponge. I will use it to give a beautiful texture. Now I will use pink color over the base with sponge. I'm using a brush to give texture of water. Now I will paint moon. Sprinkle the twinkling stars. Let's give shady effect. It looks so beautiful. I will make a butterfly. Now I will remove the tape. At the end, I will draw a tree without leaves. It's almost done. Are you enjoying the video? If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Let's remove the tapes. Don't forget to click like. Is it beautiful?